Welcome to the second video of OBS Studio tutorial. So in this tutorial, we'll be walking through how to capture your screen or how to essentially screen record your device, right? So something that you can notice is whenever you start OBS Studio that you have by default a scene over there in the scenes panel. But that is not the case for the sources, right? Sources panel is completely empty. So sources is what gives you a video feed, right? So in order for you to record something, then your display should be listed as one of the sources. So if you're recording from a window, that window should be listed as one of the sources. So for that, we're going to click on this plus icon. And for the most of the time, what you'll be using screen recording is to record a Zoom meeting or a Google Meet meeting or something like that, right? So there are two ways that you can go about this. If it's something else, there are a couple of ways that you can go about this, but for essentially for a Zoom meeting or a Google Meet meeting, there are two ways that you can go about this. One is the display capture and one is the window capture. So in display capture, it essentially captures everything that you can see on your computer screen, right? So here we can go ahead and create a display capture. You can name it whatever the name that you want. So you can easily distinguish it whenever you have multiple sources, right? So I'm going to keep it as display capture for the time being. I'm going to hit enter, and yeah, now I can see that my display capture is starting. So I can click on OK, and you can see that it automatically checks whatever the resolution that you have on your primary monitor and all that. You can go ahead and click OK. And in this canvas, we can see our entire display is inside that canvas, right? That's why you can see like this infinite thing. And yeah, so everything where you'll be that is on your screen will be recorded onto your screen capture when you click on start recording in this control section. So we can go ahead and click on start recording. Okay, now it's recording everything that is on your screen. So you can go ahead and go to whatever the thing that you want to be displayed, and it will be recording everything that you are going to be seeing on this screen. So once you're done with whatever the thing that you have to record, you can go back to OBS Studio and you can click on stop recording, and the video will be automatically saved to the location that you specified earlier in the settings stage. And if you don't remember, it would be in the settings output recording, where you can specify the default save location for whatever the recording that you have done, right? And the second way that you can go about this is window capture. So in display capture, it will be recording everything on your screen, right? But let's say you don't want everything on your screen to be recorded, or let's say you want to do something else while the recording is also going on. But in a typical display capture, if you move away from the Google Meet or whatever the thing that you're recording, then it won't be recording the Google Meet or Zoom or whatever that you are recording, right? It will be recording whatever the thing that is on the display. So if you're doing something else, then it will be recording that. So, but with window capture, you can specify the window that you want to be recorded. So I'll go ahead and create a new window capture, and I'm going to click on OK. And as you can see, you can specify the window that you want to be recorded, and it will only record that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click the Google Chrome, and I'm going to click OK. And you can see in this canvas, we can see our Google Chrome and displayed, right? And it's not the entire display that's being displayed now. It's just the window capture, right? And yeah, so I can go ahead and start recording, and it will capture our window, right? I can move ahead and do whatever that is I want in this window, and maybe I can go to the desktop and do whatever that I want as well. But once again, when I come back, it will be only recording. See, I can go ahead and come back as well, but it will be only recording what is displayed on the window, right? And once you're done, you can click on stop recording, and once again it will be recorded. It will be saved automatically to the location that has specified before, right? Okay, so for any other use case scenario, let's say very specific cases, if you want to be like just like display a particular game, then you can go for game capture. If it's just an image, you can go for an image capture. Or if it's another media source, let's say a video, then you can go for the media source, and over here you get to select whatever the video or the media source that you want. And so you can go ahead and click on browse, and you get whatever the folder. You can go whatever the folder that you want, and you can select whatever the media source that you want. I can just go ahead and select on the screen capture that I just recorded, and yeah, it will be played and it will be streamed, right? Yep. So that's about it. And then something to notice once again is whenever you go for a display capture as a source, this red area, this red rectangle shows you which part of the display will be captured, right? Since it's a display capture, the entire display is captured now. But if you go for a window capture, then you can see that the taskbar is excluded now, right? The taskbar is now excluded, and only the window will be captured in the screen record. And another something is that if you notice that even though I have a couple of things open, the under the Windows list I can only see the Google Chrome, right? Whenever that happens, what you have to do is, like, let's say I want to display whatever on this Microsoft Edge. So I'll open this Microsoft Edge, and then I'll go to OBS Studio, and now I'll double click on this Windows capture, and under the Windows drop down list I can now see the Microsoft Edge as well. I can select that and click OK, and now whatever on that Microsoft Edge will be what's going to be display, like, recorded, right? Yeah, whenever, like, you can't see the source or the window that you have currently open, but you can't see it on the Windows list, then what you have to do is you just go ahead, open it, and then go to OBS Studio, and once again double click on Windows caption, and now you should be able to see your window under this Windows list, right? Yeah, so that's about it for the basic screen capture or screen recording. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for other videos. Thank you.